I am Lalita Martha. I am from Government ITI Cuttack. Today my topic is transistor biasing, and for next 30 minutes I will be with you. And these are my contents. My contents are transistor as amplifier, transistor biasing and methods of biasing. First is transistor amplifier. आमे आगरू डिस्कशन करथिले जे ट्रांजिस्टर रो मेन एप्लीकेशन इट इज एक्ट्स एज ए एम्पलीफायर. So for amplification purpose, transistor has some characteristics. So first characteristics is the input voltage must be forward biased and the output voltage must be reverse biased. In this case, transistor has also three regions. We know that transistor has three regions. First region is saturation region, active region and cutoff region. So for two transistor acts as a amplifier means we have to put a transistor in active region. So for active region we have to require input junction must be forward bias and output junction must be reverse bias. But here our question is how this transistor acts as an amplifier. Suppose this is my figure. Here this is the input junction and input bias voltage and this is the output bias voltage, and this one is the NPN transistor. NPN transistor means this is forward bias because N part is connected to here, and this is reverse bias because N part is connected to here. And here we are applying VI, input voltage. Suppose we are applying input voltage that is 0.1 volt, and suppose there is a change in input current 1 milliampere. Then we know that for transistor current notification we already know that IE is equal to IB plus IC. IE is equal to IB plus IC, and our input voltage VI is equal to 0.1 volt suppose, and input current that is the IE is the input current, IE is equal to suppose 1 milliampere. So since IE is equal to IB plus IC and IB is very less as compared to IE and IC, that also we know. So IC is or IE is approximately is equal to IC. So here IC emitter current is equal to 1 milliampere, and in this current notification so IB is very less. So IE is approximately is equal to IC. So IC is the output current and output current is also 1 milliampere. Since input voltage is forward bias, so input resistance is very less due to this input junction is forward bias. Suppose input resistance is Ri, that is very small because of this bias voltage. Since output junction is reverse bias and this is the output resistance or load resistance, and this is very large as compared to Ri or input resistance. So output voltage will be V0 is equal to IC multiplied by RL. So IC is equal to 1 milliampere and RL is large as compared to Ri. So VI is equal to 0.1 volt. Suppose RL is equal to 5 kilo ohm. Suppose RL is equal to 5 kilo ohm. So what will be the output voltage? Output voltage V0 is equal to, that is IC is equal to 1 milliampere and RL, suppose RL is equal to 5 kilo ohm. So V0 is equal to 5 volt. So what will be the input voltage? Input voltage is 0.1 volt and output voltage is 5 volt. So this is the amplified version of the output. In this way our transistor acts as an amplifier. The next one is transistor biasing. Transistor biasing means the proper flow of zero signal collector current and the maintenance of proper collector emitter voltage during the passage of the signal is called transistor biasing. Previous class रे मु discussion करथिली what is the meaning of zero signal collector current and what is proper collector emitter voltage for transistor biasing and what is the meaning of proper base emitter voltage for transistor biasing. Then what is the need of biasing? Need of biasing means why biasing is needed. For biasing is needed, the input voltage should be exceed cut-in voltage for the transistor to be on. For transistor on करिया पाई हमको input voltage को 0.7 volt for in case of silicon and 0.3 volt in case of germanium. तो input voltage must be exceed then 0.7 volt and as well as 0.3 volt. And the BJT should be in active region to be operated as amplifier. This is the characteristics of biasing. And why biasing? Previous class रे भी हमें discussion करथिले why biasing. जदि हमें biasing न करि परिबा ट्रांजिस्टर ठीक से काम करि परिबनी. Transistor it would work inefficiently and also produces output signal because output distortion output signal because of change of the operating point. That also I had discussed with you previous class. Then next one is the bias stability. What is the meaning of bias stability? आमे previous class रे जानी थिले what is the meaning of operating point. So operating point को stable करिया पई गोटिए point रे operating point को stable करिया पई आमे कोन कहूचे ताकू bias stabilization. So bias stabilization means the maintenance of operating point stable. जदि हमर operating point stable हबनी हमरे जानी थिले आमे previous class रे discussion करिचे जदि operating point should be for transistor amplifier हबा पई operating point should be placed in the linear region or active region. If operating point move upward, that is the saturation region, then our also output is lost. If operating point moves downward, that is the cutoff region, then also our output signal is lost. So आमे कोन input signal को output signal same आमे पाई परिबानी कि amplified version पाई परिबानी. So in this case transistor does not act as an amplifier. So for this reason the maintenance of the operating point stable is more important in case of transistor amplifier or transistor biasing. So for proper selection of the Q point or operating point generally depends upon the following factor. First factor is the load which amplifier is to work for a corresponding supply voltage. This I will tell you later. And the operating point of the transistor shifts. Mainly operating point amar kemti shift हुए due to temperature only. This is very very important. Due to temperature operating point of the transistor amara shift हो जाए. तो shift हेला amara कोन हबो ना transistor amplifier परिया काम करि परिबो नै. So जदि temperature amara increase हबो या decrease हबो amara को parameter amara vary करिवे. Main parameter is beta. Beta is the current amplification factor and this one is the ICO. This is the minority charge carrier or minority current of the transistor and this is VBE. If temperature changes then these parameters are changes. जदि हमर एई पैरामीटर चेंज हे जिवो ताले हमर टोटल करंट नोटिफिकेशन चेंज हे जिवो. जदि हमर करंट नोटिफिकेशन चेंज हे जिवो ताले हमें एम्प्लीफाइड वर्जन आउटपुट पाई परिबानी. सो इन दिस केस ट्रांजिस्टर कैन नॉट एक्ट एज एन एम्प्लीफायर. सो हमर क्राइटेरिया इज हमर मोटो इज हमको कोन करिया को पड़ियो ऑपरेटिंग पॉइंट फर्स्ट रे हमको स्टेबल करिया को पड़ियो. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज बायस स्टेबलाइजेशन. Then next one is the types of transistor biasing. There are 4 methods we are using for transistor biasing. First method is base resistor or base bias method, or this is also known as fixed bias method. Then next one is the emitter bias method. Then next one is the biasing with collector feedback method, and next one is the voltage divider biasing method, or it is also known as universal bias method. Then this is the base bias or fixed bias. This one is the figure for our fixed bias method. Here is the NPN transistor and this is the supply voltage VCC, and this is the base resistor. One base resistor is connected to the base part of the NPN transistor, and this is the collector resistor and this is VCE. So हमें समझते जानी चाहिए KVL, that is the Kirchhoff's voltage law. By applying Kirchhoff's voltage law in the input side, that is the base circuit, हमर कौन आसियो ना VCC, that is VCC minus VBE, that part is the VRB or that is IB. एटी हमर को करंट फ्लो होची IB करंट फ्लो होची. So IB into RB एटी देखि दबा हमें. जेते बेला में अप्लाई करिवा ट्रांजिस्टर रे KVL इन द बेस सर्किट, हमर इक्वेशन इज VCC माइनस एटी हमर को करंट फ्लो होची, दैट इज द बेस करंट, that is minus IB RB, and here input voltage, that is the bias voltage, that is the minus VBE is equal to 0. This one is the equation for input circuit. Then next आम ये कौन पाइबा IB आम केमती पाइबा VCC minus VBE is equal to IB RB. VCC minus VBE is equal to IB RB. So IB is equal to VCC minus VBE by RB. This is the equation for base current, or this is equation number 1. So what happened here? Here VCC is fixed because this is the supply voltage. VBE, this is the junction voltage, this is also fixed. This is 0.7 volt or 0.3 volt, and RB is also fixed. So we get IB is equal to a fixed value. That's why this is known as fixed bias configurations. So what is the value of IC? आमे बायसिंग काई करूचे बिकॉज बायसिंग आमे करिवार मतलब होची कोन हमको आउटपुट करंट एंड आउटपुट वोल्टेज हमको डिटरमाइन करार अछि फॉर मेंटेनिंग द क्यू पॉइंट. सो इठी आउटपुट करंट इज IC. सो व्हाट इज द IC? IC इज इक्वल टू आमे जानिचे कोन बीटा इनटू IB. सो बीटा इनटू दिस वैल्यू इज द IC ऑफ दिस फिक्स्ड बायस कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस. So इठी कौन होला बीटा? इठी कौन होला बीटा is the temperature dependent parameter. Temperature dependent parameter means if temperature increases then the value of beta increases. If value of beta increases then beta IB also increases. If beta IB increases then our collector current increases. So this one is the disadvantage of this fixed bias configurations. Then next हमें कौन डिस्कस करिवा? This is the input side. Input side रे हमें कौन पाइले? Input current हमें पाइले. Then next हमें जीवा कुआडे output side. So output part is, this one is the output part. If we are applying here, we are applying KVL. What happened? VCC minus एटी को current flow होगा collector current, that is ICRC minus VCE is equal to 0. So when we are applying KVL at the output side, we will get the equation VCC minus ICRC minus VCE is equal to 0. So what will happen? What is the value of IC here? Here the value of IC is equal to beta into IB, and IB is equal to हमें पहले कौन VCC minus VBE divided by RB. Then हम output side रे equation कौन पहले VCC minus ICRC minus VCE is equal to 0. So what is VCE? Is our output voltage. Our motto is to calculate output current and output voltage. This one is the output current and output voltage is VCE. So what is the value of VCE, or what is the equation for VCE? VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC. This is the equation for output voltage and this is the equation for output current. Then next is IC is dependent on beta because IC is equal to beta into IB. So IC is totally depend upon the beta. When beta vary, beta केमती vary होबो? If temperature increases then the value of beta vary. If beta varies then VCE also varies. केमती VCE vary होबो? ना because VCE is equal to VCC minus IC. IC means this beta IB. Beta, what is the value of IB? IB means this value VCC minus VBE divided by RB multiplication IC into RC. So here also this IC current is also dependent upon the beta. Jodi ei beta change hobo then our output voltage is also changes. Since beta is the temperature dependent parameter, when beta vary VCE also varies, thus changing Q point our transistor change हो जिवो. जदि हमर Q point change हो जिवो ताले हमर कोन हम stability पाइबा नाही. So this type of circuit is beta dependent and very much unstable circuit. That's why we are not using fixed biasing method anywhere. Beta changes with temperature and collector current changes, and base biasing circuit is mainly limited to switching applications. तो इटी main हमर demerit is मेन डिमेरिट होची हमर कोन सिंस बीटा इज टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट सो दिस सर्किट इज टोटली अनस्टेबल. So what are the merits of this biasing? It is very simple circuit. This is a very simple circuit to shift operating point anywhere in the active region by changing the value of RB. जदि हमर operating region किंबा active region रे हमर जदि operating point टाको जदि हमर shift करियार अछि then हम एठी कोन करि परिबा easily change करिबा, not in saturation region or not in cut off region, only in active region. And very small number of components are required because एठी कोन कोन component दरकार हमर only supply voltage and base resistor and collector resistor और VCE. तो एठी हमर कोन बहुत कम number of components दरकार and the design of this circuit is very simple. This is the main merits. Then demerit तो हमें जानि परले, the collector current does not remain constant with variation of the temperature or power supply voltage. So here the operating point is mostly unstable. When the transistor, this is the second disadvantage, when the transistor is replaced with another one, considerable change of the beta can be expected. So its meaning is first होची कोन बीटा चेंज हेले हमर कोन होची हमर ऑपरेटिंग पॉइंट अनस्टेबल हो जाउची. बीटा केमती चेंज होची? फर्स्ट रीजन इज इफ टेम्परेचर चेंजेस देन द वैल्यू ऑफ बीटा चेंजेस. देन अनदर रीजन इज आउ गोटे केस रे भी हमर बीटा वैल्यूटा चेंज हुए केमती? इफ one transistor is replaced by another. जदि हमें गोटे ट्रांजिस्टर को रिप्लेस कले आउ गोटे ट्रांजिस्टर वे रे सो सबु ट्रांजिस्टर द वैल्यू ऑफ बीटा इज डिफरेंट. The value of beta is different. So in this case also the value of beta changes. जदि हमें ट्रांजिस्टर को चेंज करिवा से केस रे हमर कोन हबो द वैल्यू ऑफ बीटा चेंज हे जिवो. जदि वैल्यू ऑफ बीटा चेंज हे जिवो तो आईसी चेंज हे जिवो, VCE चेंज हे जिवो. सो अगेन ऑपरेटिंग पॉइंट विल शिफ्ट either saturation region or cut off region. So this is again going to unstable case. Then where it is used? It is rarely used in linear circuits because of these characteristics that operating point is not stable, and it is used in circuit when transistor is used as a switch. This point is very very important. Fixed bias हमें आउ कोठी भी यूज करूने. Fixed bias linear circuit रे बिल्कुल यूज ही होनी, बट रेयरली यूज होची मीन्स जदि हमें एक्टिव रीजन रे जदि ऑपरेटिंग पॉइंट को शिफ्ट करियार अछि तो सेही केस रे हमें फिक्स बायस को यूज करि परिबा. बट इट इज यूज्ड इन सर्किट्स वेयर ट्रांजिस्टर इज यूज्ड एज ए स्विच. ट्रांजिस्टर स्विच बळिया यूज होची को केस रे हमें नेक्स्ट क्लास रे डिस्कशन करिबा. देन नेक्स्ट इज द सेकंड बायसिंग मेथड, दैट इज द एमिटर बायस मेथड. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिक्स्ड बायस एंड एमिटर बायस? इन फिक्स्ड बायस this RE part or emitter resistor is not there. सेठी emitter resistor हमर नथिला. एठी only हमर include कोन हेची emitter resistor is included because of proper stabilization. Fixed bias to emitter bias out टिके तार stability अधिका. So this one is the diagram for emitter bias or emitter bias circuit. आउ किछि एठी चेंज हेनी, ओनली RE सर्किट. RE गोटे एक्स्ट्रा कंपोनेंट गोटे एठी इंक्लूड हेची एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज द सेकंड सप्लाई वोल्टेज इज आल्सो इंक्लूडेड. सेठी हमर गोटिए सप्लाई वोल्टेज थिला दैट इज VCC, बट हियर वी इंक्लूडेड VEE also. Then this is the circuit, just simplification version of this. VCC and RC, that is also RC, and RB is connected to here, and this is VBE, this is RE, and this is VEE. This is just simplification of this circuit. Then next, in this circuit, यही सर्किट जदि आमे कोन करिवा पुणी आमे अप्लाई करिवा KVL जदि आमे अप्लाई करिवा इनपुट साइड रे आमे कोन पाइबा VCC माइनस एठी आमे कोन पाइबा KVL जदि आमे अप्लाई करि परिबा ताले आमे कोन पाइ परिबा IBRB प्लस IERE प्लस VBE इज इक्वल टू माइनस VEE. एक्चुअली तुमर एते डेफिनेशन तुमर नाही, यू हैव टू ओनली रिमेंबर ओनली base current, what is the base current, and what is the formula for collector current, and what is the formula for collector voltage and emitter voltage. तो इठी हमें कौन देखिले ना IB is equal to कौन IE divided by beta, IE divided by beta, but IC is equal to हमर कौन आसीबो जदि हमें अप्लाई करिवा KVL, that one is the formula for IC VEE minus VBE, that is RE plus RB by beta DC, and VE is equal to कौन आसीबो VEE plus IERE, VB is equal to VE प्लस VBE VC इज इक्वल टू VCC माइनस ICRC एठी आमे सब KVL पकेले आमे ए इक्वेशन गुडा आमे पाई परिबा. And next merit is the circuit has tendency to stabilize the operating point against the change of the temperature and beta because एठी हमें देखिले कोन IB is equal to कोन आसला हमरो IE by beta DC but see IC is equal to हमर एठी कोन आसला VEE that is the supply voltage VBE that is the junction voltage RE plus RB by beta DC जदि RB टा फिक्स एंड बीटा टा फिक्स जदि RB और बीटा को हमें नेग्लेक्ट कर दो बिकॉज RE इज मच मोर ग्रेटर देन RB by beta DC so we have to neglect here RB by beta DC component जदि हमें RB by beta DC component नेग्लेक्ट कर दो ताले कोन हबो IC is totally independent upon beta parameter जदि IC बीटा पैरामीटर को इंडिपेंडेंट हला ताले हमर कोन हबो दिस Q पॉइंट हमर आउ नेक्स्ट शिफ्ट हे परिबो नाही. Then merit is this is temperature beta independent circuit and demerit is as beta value is fixed for the given transistor the relation can be satisfied either by keeping RE is very large or making RB is very low जहाँ हम कहली एठी हमर कोन हबो ना आमे जदी एटा हमर केते बेले सॉल्व हे परियो केते बेले हमर बीटा पैरामीटर को इंडिपेंडेंट हे परियो ना जदी आमे अज्यूम करिवा जे RE is much more greater than this value or RB is very low as compared to this value. In this case only आमे माने बाहर करि परिबा जे this is independent upon beta DC and if RE is large then high VCC is necessary. जदि हमर एठी RE टा very large हबो ताले हमर कोन दरकार हमर VCC हमर बहुत ही अधिका दरकार so this increase the cost of our circuit. जदि हमें RB को लो करिवा ताले हमर लो वोल्टेज सप्लाई शुड बी यूज्ड इन द बेस पार्ट एंड एटा भी हमर कोन हबो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव आउ हमर नेक्स्ट हमर डिमेरिट कोन हम एठी दीटा सप्लाई यूज करछे दिस इज द नेक्स्ट डिमेरिट. The next one is the collector feedback bias. This is same as your emitter bias or sorry fixed base bias, only different is here feedback means part of the output is connected to the input of the circuit and this is also for stabilization purpose and this is also gives good stabilization as compared to fixed bias and emitter bias due to this feedback concept and this is also the IB VC minus VB by RB and this value is also IC is equal to this value. Here also same concept is applied and this is the value of VCC and merit and demerit is also same in case of collector feedback and emitter bias circuit. Then next one is the voltage divider bias and this is the universal method. This I will discuss later. Today we had discussed about transistor access and amplifier and what are transistor biasing and methods of biasing, types of biasing. So four types of biasings are there but we had discussed 3 types of biasing, that is fixed bias, emitter stabilized bias and feedback bias and voltage divider bias I will tell you later. And thank you all. If you have any queries then you please contact my WhatsApp number that is 9438360561.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजना रे सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणारे जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा